Alright folks, Brian with TNT over 50 coming at you. Today, we're going to talk about protein and what I actually take after my workouts. I get asked a lot about, what protein powder I use or this or that. A lot of my information that I'm relaying to all you guys are my own personal experience. I mean, I've been on so many different nutritional programs and experimented with this and this and this and this, and I know what works for myself, and what works for me might not work for you or whatever, but we're all humans, so it basically does work for but okay, here it goes. This is going to be a lot of some peeps might get mad because they thought they figured it out, but when in actuality they haven't. After my workout, and this is just, or anytime, 2 raw eggs. I do 2 raw eggs. In about a cup of chicken bone broth. I'm gonna just show you real quick. 2 raw eggs. What this does, it destroys any bacteria, so nobody starts saying, oh, you're gonna get salmonella. 2 raw eggs. I put a little garlic, a little cayenne, and garlic and cayenne, and the combination is just so good for you. Good for your heart, good for everything. And this. Mix this up. Now, the thing is with the protein, a lot of people think, and what I'm doing here is just mixing the yolks up. The whites kind of cook, kind of like an egg drop soup, but the yolks really don't. So all this protein in here is uncooked protein. What most people don't realize is that when you cook a protein, it destroys the amino acids inside the protein. Oh yeah, that's good. It destroys the amino acids, and there are certain amino acids that your body uses to build muscle with, certain ones that your body uses for your immune system, certain ones for just every function in your body, and heat destroys it. So a lot of people, a guy that's 200 pounds thinks he needs to get in, a gram of protein per pound of body weight for him to put on muscle or even just maintain the muscle size that he has. And it's so, I need to get in 200 grams of protein. So in 5 meals or 6 meals or whatever, I'm eating like maybe, 40 grams of protein from a cooked chicken breast, from this cook, from that cook, and this cook. By the end of the day, you've eaten so much cooked protein. And again, heat destroys the amino acids in there. These people don't realize that they might be getting, 50 grams of protein as opposed to the 200 that they think they're getting. Because guess what, folks? And this is gonna piss off some people, because when you cook a protein, just cook it to oblivion, cook it to all the, barely amino acids in there. Guess what it turns to in your bloodstream? Glucose. And most people completely don't understand that. I had a guy a couple days ago tell me, protein can't turn to glucose in your blood. Yes, it can. I mean, it freaking does, man. So, I take in 2 raw eggs after I work out in like a broth. And just because it's raw, man, your body absorbs that stuff. And there's people out there that think, oh, there's an enzyme that gets cooked, when you cook them, that helps your body absorb the protein. And they don't believe that raw eggs are absorbed, the same as when you cook it. It does. I've been doing this for 25 years, and I've been doing it off and on. And whenever I get consistent and I'm training and I'm doing my eggs, and I get a lot of, I probably take in about maybe 6 to 8 eggs a day, because not only do I do the raw eggs after I do my workout, but I boil my eggs, and you have to see my video on boiling my eggs. I boil the egg just to where the white cooks. So when I crack it, the yolk is kind of gel-like. And again, all the amino acids are intact in there. And eggs are like one of the number one best protein that you can put in your body. But that's pretty much it. I mean, you just can't cook the hell out of your protein and expect it to, like, you know, be available there to absorb in your body, because half of it turns to glucose. So, you know, even, you know, cooking a steak and charring it, you just messed it up. Keep it rare, keep it medium rare. That pink, that's the good stuff. That's the aminos still intact. Same thing with sushi. Sushi's awesome, man. You know, and anything else like that. So just try to keep the cooking to a minimum. Even when I cook my salmon, and I like it kind of, you know, a little medium rare in there because it's still intact. So whenever you do cook your food, think of this, because don't burn the protein out of it. So if you like this vid, guys, click on like, click the bell button, get notified when I do put another video out. And I will see you folks later.